Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I will inform you about a very important topic. The name is International Phonetic Sound Long Monophthongs 5, right? So already I made videos on short monophthongs and a summary of 44 sounds. So I'd like to request you go to my playlist and you can watch that videos, and if you watch those videos then you can easily understand this video also, right? So let's start. Already I informed on the last video about this 5 monophthongs, so I'd like to repeat here. Number 1, it is sound, long right? Suppose it states there are suppose 1 2 3 o combine short o, then we will get a long o sound, right? So it is sound, okay. So what is the indication for the long sound? I already informed on the last videos also, so I'd like to repeat here. If we see any colon in this way, so we can easily understand that it is a long sound. For example, here also colon, here also colon, here also colon, and here also colon. So this long monophthongs are 5, right? So all are have this colon sound, so that's why we can say it, we can easily understand that it is a long monophthongs, right? So number 1, I already said it is long o sound. It is right? Sound, right? Number 2, it is means whenever I both of these lips goes completely open, then we say this sound and this produce this sound, and we can say it right? Number 3, it is long e sound, long e. Number 4, it is long oo sound, oo. And number 5, last, it is long o sound, o, right? So already we learned about the short monophthongs in the previous video, and now here it is long monophthongs, right? So let's see with words and sentences so that we can easily understand it. So number 1, it is long sound, right? It is symbolized as like is this number 3 and then colon, right? And sometimes it also symbolizes opposite of e, right, and colon, but here we can see it is symbolized as 3, as like as 3 and colon. So here some words are available, so if we pronounce this word we can clarify how does it sounds, right? So bird, we can say bird, ard, right? Bird, bird, right? Farm, right? Sound, farm, short, sound, right? Short, birth, right? So we can clarify from this that if there is ir sound, then most of the time this sound produces sound, long sound, right? For example, we have find here all these words are ir, right? Word, farm, short, word, right? So let's see in sentences. This is a red bird, ard, right? Ard sound, sound is coming here clearly. If we focus our sound, then we can easily understand it produces r sound. This is a red bird. So here definitely R sound is produces, long R sound. Second sentence is this is a girl. This is a girl, right? So here also we can listen this sound R sound, long R sound, girl, girl, right? Girl, right? So I hope you understood this. And here second number 2 we can see a and colon, so it produces a sound, a. So there is some words we can read and produce the sound, right? So it is hard, H-A-R-D produces hard, hard, okay. Then the part, part, part. Then it is next one word, it is dart, dart. Next one is arc, arc, arc. So here we can see there is some common rule. If there is a and r, right, combined, then we definitely most of the time produce the a sound. For example, I have already find here every word, if you see, notice here it is ar, 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 right? So we can easily understand that if there is a word and there is two letters together, a and r, we can easily say that it is a sound, right? So details about this we will make another video where we can find some rules by which we can easily understand that where we can produce this sound also, right? So here if we see about the sentence, it will be very clear and we can find it very clearly. For example, I do part-time job. Here part, I do part-time job, right? So here the part produces the r sound, right? R sound, not a, it is a, part-time job, part-time job, right? And the next sentence it says she does hard work, she does hard work, right? So here definitely this word hard produces the a sound, right? So I hope you understood this a sound. Come to the next sound, that is e, long e. So it is written in small I and then colon, but it produces the long e sound, right? For example, we can find here some words as for example meet, meet, eve, 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 right? Sit, sit, beat, beat, right? So here meet, eve, sit, beat, all are producing the e sound, long e sound, right? So if we see about these sentences, we can clarify it. So here first sentence, I meet him today. Here meet is producing the long e sound, right? I meet him today. Second sentence, this is a ill fish, this is an ill fish, right? So we can see here that ill is a long e sound, ill fish, right? Number 4, here we can see the oo sound, oo, oo sound, right? So here if we see there are some words, and if we see here moon, it is pronounced as moon, long oo sound, moon. It is not moon, we don't say this, but non-native English speaker most of the time they produce it is like as moon, but it is not moon, it is moon. Here it is cool, cool, right? It is not cool. Okay, so non-native English speaker are most of the time uses this produces this sound as like a school. but not cool. It is cool. Long oo sound should be produced. And here it is June. Yes, friend, it is not June, it is June. Oo sound should become here, June. And last one, it is a blue. Blue oo sound, right? Blue. So here we have find the 4 words, and these are very clear. The oo sound, right? Moon, cool, June, blue. Okay, so if we see in the sentence, then it will be very clear for us. I see the moon. I see the moon. I see the moon. Here also this e sound is available with the C. I see the moon. Definitely the moon also produces the e sound. Here, this is my blue shirt. Yes, friend, definitely this blue produces the oo sound. So from here we can easily understand the oo sound. So let's see the next one. Next and last sound is o sound. O. Okay, ow sound. Ow. We can say ow, long ow. As for example, cat say ow, ow, ow sound, right? Ow. So it is as like as ow sound. Ow. It is not ow. Actually, it is ow, ow, right? Long. We before in the short monophthongs we read the short o sound. O for got, right? But here it is long. Oh. For example, we can find here some words. It will be very helpful for us to understand. All. It is not all. It is all. All. It is not ball. It is ball. Ball. O sound should become, right? Call. It is not call. It is call. It is draw. Right? Draw. Some non-native English speaker produces this wrong pronunciation of this sound, so they say all, ball, call, draw. No, so actually it is all, it is ball, it is call and draw, right? This is the correct pronunciation. So if we see here some sentences, then it will be very clear for us. She is an author. Here she is an author. Definitely it is produces the o sound. So author. I have a ball. Yes, definitely this a ball produces the o sound, right? So I hope you understood this. So it is not so much easy to understand, but we should watch this video again and again, then we can listen it very clearly, and if we focus on that how we are making this sound, then definitely we can produce the correct pronunciation, correct sound of this long monophthongs, right? Hope you understood this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Thank you.